Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to make an incoming webhook in Slack. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open your preferred web browser and Slack API page. This page serves as the central hub for managing Slack apps, where you can configure new integrations like incoming webhooks. Once you're on the page, click on Create App. And from the dropdown, select Start from Scratch to manually add your app's basic information, scopes, and settings. Next, you'll need to name your app. Choose a descriptive name that reflects what the webhook will do. After that, select your workspace. Once selected, confirm your choice by clicking Select a Workspace. You'll then see an option to create your app. Click Create App, and Slack will set up the framework for your webhook integration. After your app is created, find and click on Incoming Webhooks in the left-hand menu. At first, the webhook feature will be toggled off. Switch it on to enable the functionality. Next, click the Add New Webhook button. This will open a new interface where you can choose which Slack channel the webhook will post messages to. After selecting the channel, click On Install Make an Incoming Webhook to grant the required permissions. Once the webhook is authorized, Slack will generate a unique webhook URL. This is the endpoint that external services can use to send messages into your chosen Slack channel. You can test your webhook by sending a simple post request with a JSON payload containing a text message. And that's it. So that is how you can make an incoming webhook in Slack. So that's all for this video. Thanks.